Here are some veggies which become more nutritious when they cooked. Tomatoes. Boosts lycopene, deliver greater antioxidant power than raw slices. Carrots. Boiling or steaming boosts beta-carotene absorption, helping convert it to vitamin A for healthy skin and eyes. Spinach. Light steaming makes spinach more nutrient-rich than raw, boosting mineral absorption for bone health. Mushrooms. Sautéing or grilling mushrooms boosts antioxidants and vitamin D, making them a powerful immunity and energy-boosting superfood. Beetroot. Steaming beetroot boosts antioxidants and preserves nitrates, enhancing blood flow and stamina.